In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to download and install Adobe InCopy for free on your PC or Mac. First, go to this video's description and click the official Adobe trial page link. Then, follow along step by step. First, use the link below to go directly to the Adobe InDesign download page. Make sure your device meets the system requirements. Once you land on the trial page, click to start your free trial, then choose the individual plan to unlock 7 days of Adobe Creative Cloud for free. This means you'll have a whole week to explore and experiment with Adobe InCopy, absolutely free. On the same page, check the box to try Adobe Stock. You'll get another 7-day free trial plus 10 free premium assets, photos, templates, videos, and more. The best part? Even if you cancel before the trial ends, you keep the 10 assets. That's a win either way. Sign up and grab your freebies. Next, sign in or create an Adobe account if you don't already have one. It only takes a minute. Adobe will also ask you for a payment method, but you won't be charged on your card as long as you cancel before the trial period ends. I always suggest setting a reminder on your phone or calendar so you don't forget. After that, Adobe will prompt you to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. This is where you'll install InCopy. Once you've installed and launched Creative Cloud, find Adobe InCopy in the list, click Install, and let it do its thing. The download might take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. The installation process is straightforward and should not take long. And that's it. You now have Adobe InCopy fully installed and ready to use, free for 7 days. This is the perfect opportunity to dive into and explore all of InCopy's features without paying up front. Get ready to unleash your creativity. Remember to click the link in the description to start your free trial and follow the steps in this video. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more simple tech guides like this, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll gladly help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video. Take care.